One of the most valuable modules in KryptoTrak is the Project Tracking and Analysis section. Let's dive in. In KryptoTrak, projects of any type can be tracked, whether they're the next ICO or a truly decentralized project like Ravencoin. Regardless of what type of project you are interested in, the project entity in KryptoTrak is designed to present important information so that you can make better decisions. When you log into KryptoTrak, we start by presenting whatever view you yourself find useful every time you log into the system. The power of the system lies in the fact that you are in control. Whether you wish to see a curated list that you yourself have identified, or whether you wish to focus solely on upcoming projects, or perhaps a collection based on some other metrics. The important thing to understand is that what you see here is entirely dependent on what you wish to see, no one else. If you're a more visual person, you can create charts of projects of interest by specific criteria, such as by country and hard cap. Whatever way in which you decide you need to see your data, you can easily create visualizations that speak to you. Charts such as these are interactive, leading to those projects that you can focus on according to your own criteria. With dozens of ICOs appearing each week, this is essential. Of course, the product ships with the standard charts and standard views. With a KryptoTrak data subscription, this information can be delivered to your instance of KryptoTrak on a regular basis. The project form starts with key pieces of information, such as the team leader, their LinkedIn profile, and in the case of an ICO-type project, important dates. Since the people of a given project are sometimes the most important factor to ensure success, the people section allows for more than one team, such as core or advisory or other teams. How many months the team has been together is important, as well as a team rating. Projects that have released a token might have public token addresses. If they do, important information can be retrieved from the respective block explorer of that public address. In the analysis section, fundamental evidence of community interaction is provided by key links. In the lower section of the Project Analysis tab, there can be any number of analyses conducted by different analysts. Any milestones and their statuses are also recorded here. Regardless of the type of project, whether it's an ICO or a classic coin, there is at least one analysis which scores the project based on a variety of factors, such as whether there are blockchain developers, the team score, and an analysis of the white paper. Metrics are collected with respect to business viability. Here we see links to the project and the token itself. We're provided with the token platform and the primary token purpose. Additional purposes for the token are listed below, and there are three major sections for analysis: a white paper analysis, a business viability section, as well as multiple project findings. A finding can include important information that may change the status of the project. Using KryptoTrak to analyze and track the projects that you are interested in will allow you to keep all of the important information all in one place and help you make, at the end of the day, better decisions about investing in cryptocurrency.